What's up guys, it's your girl here, Sophie, and Lily's not here today, sadly, but it is me, Sophie, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favourite slimes in the house. So yeah, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become an SL Slime Sister, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and put on your notification bell to be notified when we make a new video. And also, sorry about background noise, it's just my dad and my sister. So yeah, let's get sliming. So, the first slime, well these are the 3 slimes. I've got a glitter slime, a butter slime, and then my Nutella slime. So first I'm going to be showing you my Nutella slime. This is what it looks like. It's the jiggly slime, and it's really pokey and really nice. But it is a little bit rubbery because it's jiggly slime, so yeah. But anyways, that is the slime. It's really nice and bubbly, but yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, and look, when I just don't jiggle it around, then I go like that. It's just really pokey and stuff. And sorry, just comment down below what one's your favourite slime as well at the end, because obviously you haven't seen them all yet. So yes, that was my Nutella slime. Moving on to my next, which is a butter slime, and it's like a neon-y yellow, I would say. I just got the clay from Hobbycraft, and I really recommend it because it's really nice. And I will be doing a video on how to make jiggly slime, butter slime, and then metallic glitter slime. So yeah, I will do a video on all of those, and maybe I will do it with Lily as well. I'm not sure though, I might, or she might do it by herself because she can still do videos as well. But yeah, and also be sure to go check out the 2 other videos if you haven't already, and also go subscribe to them and subscribe to this one. Okay, anyways, this is the butter slime. Yeah, I just love the colour and I love the texture. It's like a matte texture put on with a butter texture. It's really good. Nice and good. And now moving on to my last one, which is the metallic-y glitter one. Sorry if it's not focusing, but yeah, and sorry about the background, it's just a window. I'm just in my dining room right now. But this sounds really nice. It does have a sticky texture, but I like sticky textures because sticky textures make, stretchy slimes. Oh, that's a pretty nice bubble. And this is, if you're wondering, this is made with borax and it's made with clear slime. So yeah, I think I might want to give a close-up on this slime. I'm not sure though. Should I put a close-up on this? I don't know. I think I might give a close-up on this. I'm just going to do a swirl if I can. It's a little bit runny to do a swirl. All I can do is try. So, it's a bit runny, but love you. I really like it, and it's super duper stretchy. Let's see, put you there. I really like this slime so much. Comment down below if you like this slime a lot. But yeah, I think this is gonna end it right here. So I'm going to put this slime away, and I will do my goodbye intro. So bye guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed filming and playing with my favourite slimes. So that's just like a shoot. Bye guys. Love you.